back up on the roof. Getting my bag open here, pulling out the drone. Testing out the ND filters today. So, cameras that I brought with me, DJI Osmo Pocket. Pretty bright day out. You know what? I'll probably put an ND filter on this as well. I'm gonna go with the ND16. Setting up the drone. Already got it unlocked on DJI's website, and that's the Fly Safe website you need to go to. I have ND filter 8 on this. There's a slight breeze that just picked up on here as I put these little joysticks on. Let's turn on the remote. I always do a compass cal. I don't care what's going on out here, and I've already gotten authorization to fly, so that's not going to come up. Unlocked successful because I already did it online. This is an ND8. I'm gonna turn on my screen recorder, start recording. So this is with the ND8 filter. We got a nice little breeze going up there. Seems to be holding its altitude.